today we're gonna start this video that I know that I take this video before, then I put it in my computer, so we watch it. Let's go.
Welcome to part 7. The today's title is Koala and his friends. Koala, Big Bear, Small Bear, and the Giant Bear. And today I'm gonna show you today's video. You freaking!
Did you say you're freaking? Never mind.
Part 7. Hello! Hello, Koala. Hello, Koala. Come. In. That's it. Are you dead? He's totally dead. Hello, his sister's only dead. Part 8. The war has started. Jing, jing, jing. What's that? Jump. You bitches! I'm destroying me. I did. Yeah.
So he has started the war to defeat this by thanks.